Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. Today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for gold US dollar. Let's hop in. Okay, here we are on the monthly chart for gold US dollar. And as you can see, last month's candle was almost a bearish engulfing candle. It was pretty volatile, but overall was very bearish with a large bearish body here. And this month so far, we've started off bearish as well. In terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish Kumo cloud here. Price is still above the Tenkan-sen, which is pointing up. However, we have the Kijun-sen and the Senko-span B, which are flat. And so, guys, a lot of times this is a signal of a possible reversal. And so if price closes below the Tenkan-sen here, which is this thin blue line, we could possibly get a retracement back to these levels. And so right now this level is, well, let me keep that off for a second. Right now around the Kijun-sen is around the $2,200 level. So that could be one of our first targets. So let me turn on my drawings real quick. And so guys, we called out this target in last month's analysis. We reached this upper trend line here, as you can see drawn in. And so once price reached that point, price and time were balanced based on our time cycles. And so this market was overdue for a retracement. And so that's why I'm expecting further retracement. You can also see that the LTI is overbought here. This is an indicator that I like to use. It's called the Gray Rabbit LTI, and this is the Gray Rabbit SMI. But both are overbought, and looks like we're getting a death cross here as well. So both just adding more evidence to the possible retracement. And then guys, I want to bring your attention to here. So right here at this box, we have something that's called a fair value gap. And so a lot of times when we're looking for a retracement and where price could possibly retrace back to, we want to look for fair value gaps because this is sort of like if you leave your house without your keys, you know, price is us and we need to go back and grab our keys. So price will retrace back down here to grab the car keys and then go back out to the garage. So maybe that sounds ridiculous, but maybe it helps. I don't know. You tell me. But either way, price forgot something back here, and so it needs to go back and pick it up. And so that's why I've got the carrot here. This is going to be my first target. It's $2,277, and so that's going to be a very good value to add on to your positions. Now, if you're looking for a more conservative target, you could look around 2,435, 36. Or 2,630. So these would be the first targets here, and then down here, which we set around 2,200, would be a good value based on these retracement levels. Now, that's enough for a monthly. You know, I would expect this retracement heading. So in terms of time analysis, I'm expecting this retracement to last into the springtime. Possibly until May. So we could see this market cooling off until then. So that's what I've got based on the monthly time frame. And now on the weekly chart, let me just clean this up a bit. So we've got the Gray Rabbit Gone line has flashed bearish. We've got a change in structure of the market. And it looks like we could be getting a reverse N wave down. So we're going to need price to break below this 2,540 level. 2,536 level, and that's going to confirm this N wave back down to these retracement points. So yeah, overall though, this is a bullish Kumo cloud. However, price did close below the Tenkan-sen. So in the short term, price is bearish now, and we're going to be looking to break through this next support level here. So overall, guys, there is no trend confirmed on this time frame. Now, in terms of LTI, it's overbought, heading back down into the sweet spot. And then in terms of SMI, we had a death cross, and we're heading back down to the sweet spot. So I'm expecting this retracement to continue down. Now let's take a look at the daily. Okay, and here on the daily time frame, so we've got a death cross here in terms of Ichimoku death cross. We have Chico span now below the candles, and we are waiting for price to break through Sanko Span B, which is the thick white line of the cloud here. And then once price breaks through here on an N wave, this is going to confirm our bearish trend. We've got a Kumo Cloud twist forming here. However, this is very thin and there's not enough steam in the cloud yet. So we cannot trust this. We can't trust the structure of this yet. So we're going to need price to continue down on an N wave further to put some more steam into the cloud. But overall, guys, just right off the bat, this is looking bearish. We've got a lower high, lower low. So I'm expecting this to be an N wave down. In terms of LTI, we're in the sweet spot, but we're heading lower. So we could be crossing this middle line soon. Back and when it turns blue, that's bearish. When it's white, it's bullish. And then in terms of SMI, looks like we're getting. Hold on, let me just zoom in that a little bit. Looks like we've gotten a death cross here on the SMI. So in terms of this time frame, this is very bearish, and it looks like this is going to go well with our theory that we're getting a nice retracement heading into spring. So guys, let's just summarize one more time. So based on time cycles, we're going to be retracing through to the springtime. Going to be targeting this level down here, 2,277. But our first support level that we need to break is 2,536. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What are your targets? You think this will be a shallow retracement, a deep retracement? Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you guys. And I just want to say that we just reached over 200 uploaded videos to our YouTube channel here. And I just want to thank everybody who comments, likes, and subscribes for all your support. So thank you guys. And until next year, 2025, I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next month. Peace.